So today what we are going to do is how we can create a very easy post for social media. Let's say today you start your day and you say, okay, what kind of topic can I come up with? So one of the AI site that we can always use, and let me share the screen with you. Let's go to this site, and so the name is Perplexity. You go there and you can always write a question and the system would answer you. So let's say the fastest way to sell a home in, let's say, Toronto. The fastest way to sell your home in Toronto. You press enter, and this is what it's coming up with. Okay, very easy. So what you're gonna do, the answer is you can easily copy and paste. You copy and paste this one into Chat GPT. Write it here and said, rewrite this in, let's say, 150 words. And paste it right there. And you press enter or go on. There you go. So this is your post. Copy this one, you go to your, let's say, social media here, in this case, talking about Facebook, and then you paste it. Now, of course, you have to read it. I'm not reading it right now, just for the sake of showing it to you. You have to adjust it. You can tune it up if you want to. And where can you grab a picture? So one of the sites I use here is Pixabay. So right here you type, let's say, home, and you press enter, and you are seeing some of the properties here. Let's say this is a nice picture. So you click on it, and you like it, you download it, and okay, so it's already downloaded. You come back to your Facebook, you said you like that image, and pick it up for me. So you pick up that image, which is here, and bingo, that's it. Right there. So how long it took you to do that? Maybe 3 minutes? Okay, so this is, of course, you have to be organized. You have to have certain days dedicated to putting your social media ads up there. And you cannot see it and randomly say, okay, I feel like putting the social media post up there. So what you have to do is to organize yourself, how many times per week you want to do that, at what hours. But the process is very easy. I hope you like it, and stay tuned.